Own a piece of Del Webb's Hill Country Retreat, an exceptional gated, active adult community where resort-style living perfectly blends with everyday comfort and convenience. This impeccably maintained hidden gem offers a versatile layout with 3 spacious bedrooms, a dedicated study, and 2 dining areas. The bright, open interior unveils high ceilings, crown molding, and solar tubes that bathe the living spaces in natural light. The chef-inspired kitchen features a large central island, plenty of cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. The private owner's suite is a true sanctuary, boasting French doors, a garden tub, and a massive walk-in closet. Life here centers around the resort, a stunning 28,000 square foot clubhouse featuring indoor and outdoor pools, a state-of-the-art fitness center, an indoor walking track, and extensive hobby and social spaces. Residents enjoy tennis, pickleball, bocce ball, miles of scenic trails, and a full calendar of activities led by a dedicated lifestyle director, making it easy to stay active, social, and engaged. With HOA-maintained landscaping and common areas, this community delivers a truly low-maintenance, lock-and-leave lifestyle designed for enjoying every moment.